Structure of the Arduino demo sketch. It will start with a comment block which will provide the Arduino sketch name and some description. The first statement will be an include of the debounce function, which is in the debounce header file. I have stored it in a separate location, so I will be including the file path of the debounce header file. Some initialized global variables which are related to the digital I/O pins I'm using in my sketch. Then there will be a void setup function which will set up the pin mode of the used pins and set up the serial communication. The loop block will have two lines which are related to the push button debounce function and calling it, and then executing the Arduino sketch related code if the push button is truly pressed. This is the basic circuit setup that I will be using in the Arduino sketch. It is explained in one of my earlier videos, so please refer to it. It has one push button switch whose input is given to the digital pin number 2. I'm using 4 LEDs and one buzzer which are connected to digital pins D3 to D7, and these digital pins are configured as output in my Arduino sketch. The basic circuit setup related code in the Arduino sketch is in the beginning. You will see the include statement, then some integer variable setup. The number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 relate to the digital pin numbers which are used in the Arduino sketch. So digital pin number 2 is used as for the button pin, 3 for LED 1, 4 for LED 2, 5 for LED 3, 6 for LED 4 and 7 for the buzzer. They are all integer kind of variables. Then the setup function is coded, and this setup function runs once on board power on. The first statement is related to establishing the serial communication, and then the pin modes of the digital I/O pins are configured. The button pin is set up as input, whereas all the LED pins and the buzzer pin is set up as output. It will wait in the setup function until the serial port connected to the PC is ready for serial communication. There is a small while loop which is created there with a delay in terms of microseconds, and it will continue to execute this loop until the serial communication is established. This Arduino demo sketch uses the do-while conditional statements. In this sketch, on a button press, all LEDs will blink once when the do block statements are executed. Then if the while condition is satisfied, then the do block statements will execute while the condition is met. Once the condition is dissatisfied, the code execution will move outside the do block. So the first thing is I include my debounce header file as I'm using a push button switch. These integers are set up related to the digital input output pins related to my basic circuitry. In the setup function, I configure the digital input output pins of the Arduino board as either input or output. The button pin is the input to the Arduino board, and the LED and the buzzer are the output pins. Serial communication is also set up, and I execute this while loop until the serial communication is established between the Arduino board and the PC. The loop block executes continuously once the sketch is programmed on the Arduino board and the Arduino board is powered on. So I will explain my loop block. The first thing I do is I initialize an integer variable I equal to 0, which I will be using as a counter in my do while loop. The debounce function is called to verify that the push button is really pressed. If it is determined from the debounce function that the button is truly pressed, then this code block will execute all the way up to here, as it is all within the if statement. Okay, so explaining what I'm doing here. Once the button is pressed, a serial output will be generated saying that a button is pressed. The initial value of I will be printed, which is equal to 0, as I've just set it on the previous statement. The do block, as you can see, is entered first, and this portion of the code will execute at least once. It basically blinks all the LEDs in the basic circuitry, all the 4 of them. It turns them on for 300 milliseconds and then turns it off for 300 milliseconds. I'm generating a serial output, a statement on the serial monitor. The integer variable I is incremented, and then the while condition is checked whether I is less than 3. So when the block was entered, the I value was 0. Then the I value got incremented to the value of 1, and then the condition is checked whether I is less than 0, and this block will continue to execute while I is less than 3. So it will execute while I is equal to 0, 1 and 2. So 3 times there will be blinks of all the LEDs. This code is basically to show that the do block is executed once even before the condition is checked. And in the next do while block, I'm really demonstrating that. I set the value of I equal to 5, and this is the second loop. I will generate a output on the serial monitor. Then this do block is executed, and the value of I is equal to 5 when it entered into the block, and it will basically blink all turn on all the LEDs at least once, and then the value of I is decremented, so the value of I will become 4. Then the while condition will be checked whether value of I is less than or equal to 3. So this condition is not met, but the do statements were executed at least once. And this is the main focus of the do while loop. When you need to execute the statements at least once, and then if the counter condition or some other condition is met, you want to execute it over and over again. Thank you for looking at this Arduino demo sketch. Now I will show you the execution of this program on the Arduino board. Please observe the serial monitor output. I'm pressing the button once, so the code execution begins. The button was pressed, the initial value of I was 0, and the do loop was executed when the counter value was 0, 1 and 2. The second loop had the initial value of I equal to 5. We executed the do block when even when the I is equal to less than equal to 3 condition was not met, and LED 2 and 4 blinked at least once as they were in the do block code, which is over here. LED 2 and 4 blinked at least once. Okay, I will also show the video of the code executing on the Arduino board. This is the Arduino sketch execution on the Arduino board for the do while statements. When I press the push button, it will be observed that all the 4 LEDs will blink 3 times as the code is put in the do while statements, and then even when the while condition is not met, the LED 2 and 4 will blink at least once. So I'm going to press the push button. Okay, so as you observed, the 4 LEDs blinked 3 times, and then LED 2 and 4 blinked once. I will show that again. 1, 2, 3, and then each LED blinked once. Thank you for watching this demo.